Good morning children. I hope class 9 children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As we have been doing polynomials and under polynomials we have started factorization. Already we have completed in last class exercise 3C and today we are going to see factorization of square of a trinomial and we will see some solved examples. So let's start. Here we have square of a trinomial. First formula we have for this, x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So again, if you want to derive this formula, you can derive by yourself. If you are multiplying x plus y plus z and x plus y plus z, what you will get? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. You can check also, just you see, x into x, x square, x into y, xy, x into z, xz or zx, whatever you write. Then if you are multiplying by y, what you will get? xy, then yz or zy and y square. So just you write somewhere y square, and if you are multiplying by z, you will get zx. So zx you have over here, and then z into y will be yz or zy, and then z into z will be z square. So finally what you have got? You have got x square plus y square plus z square, and xy plus xy will be 2xy plus 2zx and 2yz. So here you see x square plus y square plus z square, 2xy, 2yz and 2zx, 2yz and 2zx. So in this way you can derive formula also. So this formula is required to be remembered. X plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. And in the same formula, all the questions whichever are there in this exercise you need to solve. So you need to know how to substitute if any other number is there in this formula, and you can solve this out. Here you see, expand 2a plus 3b plus 4c whole square. So putting 2a is equal to x, 3b is equal to y and 4c is equal to z, what we will get? 2a plus 3b plus 4c whole square, and this is in the formula x plus y plus z whole square. And if you are substituting and just if you are writing the formula, here we have written, and just we need to substitute this. X is equal to 2a, y is equal to 3b and z is equal to 4c. So this thing you will get, and finally 4a square plus 9b square plus 16c square plus 2a 12ab, just you see 2 2 4, 4 3 12ab and 2 3 6, 4 24bc and 2 4 8, 8 2 16ca you will get. Or directly simply just you put formula here directly you can start with this, no need to write these things, simply you can write this one. If you remember formula, directly you can put and you can write and you can simplify and write answer. Next you see, you have expand each of the following, 4a minus b plus 2c whole square. Again, if you have x is equal to 4a, here y is equal to minus b you have, and z is equal to 2c you have. So this is required to be remembered because this is minus b you have. This is required to be substituted in proper way, so that in sign you must not be having problem. So wherever this minus b will be there, you need to be very sincere or conscious that sign mistake of sign should not be there. Here you see minus b square, so if square is there, that will be positive. But if minus b only is there, then 2 4 8 8ab you will get, and this will be negative. So minus 8ab you have got, and b you are having over here, so minus b, so this will be minus 4bc, and this will be your answer. 16a square plus b square plus 4c square minus 8ab minus 4bc plus 16ca. Here you have second question. We had 3a minus 5b minus c. Again here you have this term minus 5b, and this y term and z term is in negative. So that is required to be seen properly. How it is required to be simplified? This c square if you have, that will be positive, but here wherever b and c is there you need to see. Here you have b, so this whole term will be negative. You have got minus 3ab. Here you see 2 times negative if you have, that will become again positive. So 10bc you have got over here, but here you have 1 time negative, so this will be negative 6a. And next we have minus x plus 2y minus 3z whole square. Again here x is in negative and z is in negative. So when you are squaring by that time, that will be positive. Here you see, if you are squaring in that time, that will be positive, but here you see minus and minus, this here you have only minus, so this will be minus 4xy. Here you have minus, means minus 12yz, and here 2 times you have negative, so this became positive. So 6zx you have got. And then you have factorize 9x square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 16yz minus 24xz. So how it is to be done? Here 2 terms you have negative. This is required to be seen properly, and we must know which will be negative, either y or z, because here you have y and z. So either y will be negative or z will be negative. Here x and z you have, so either x or z will be negative. So how we will know which is negative? We observe here that minus 16yz and 24xz are negative terms in the given expression, and z occurs in both the terms. Here you see z is occurring in both the terms, and so we write 16z square is equal to minus 4z square. So z term will be negative. So here you see z term you have 16z square, so this can be written as minus 4z square. So finally how we will write this? You see 9x square can be written as 3x whole square, 4y square can be written as 2y whole square, and 16z we have found out z term should be negative, and that's why we have written minus 4z whole square, and then plus 2xy. So 2xy term you have, in place of x you have 3x, y in place of y you have 2y. Then 2 into 2y into z term you see minus 4z you have. So this term will be negative and this term will be negative. So finally here you see we have got, if you have written in this formula, so this also can be written as x plus y plus z whole square. So finally it has been written in this way, and you have got 3x minus 2y minus 4z whole square, and this will be your answer. Next you see similar question is there, factorize 25x square 16y square plus 4z square. Again you need to know how we will write, which term we will write negative, x term, y term or z term. Since here you have x and again here you have x, so definitely x term will be negative. So here you have 25x square, so this should be written as minus 5x square, here you see. And so when you are writing in formula, in this way we will write, and finally we will get minus 5x plus 4y plus 2z whole square. Next you see Here you have 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8zx. So again we need to see which term will be negative. Again you have x and x is being repeated. So we observe here that 2 root 2 xy and minus 8zx are negative terms in the given expression, and x occurs in both the terms, and that's why x term will be negative. And so we will write this 2x square can be written as root 2x, and since this is negative, so this will be minus root 2x whole square. In this way it should be written. And then y square plus this 8z square can be written as 2 root 2 z square. So 2 to the 4 and 4 to the 8. So here you see this has been written over here. Here you see root 2 minus 2 root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z whole square. So this expansion you need to write, and then formula we will get minus 2 root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z whole square, and this will be your answer. Next you see evaluate 101 into 102. So what it can be written? 101 into 100 plus 2. So this is very easy things, already you have learnt in very previous class in 6, 7, 8 you have learnt these things. So I hope you will be able to understand how it has been solved. Here 999 square can be written as 1000 minus 1 whole square. So it can be written a square plus b square minus 2ab. In that formula it has been written and has been simplified. Since 997 again can be written as 1000 minus 3 whole square. So this will be a minus b whole square and can be evaluated. So in this way I think these examples are so easy, you have understood, and you should be able to solve exercise 3D. So simply what is needed to be done, this you need to understand if minus sign is there, how that is required to be simplified, and I hope you will be able to solve each and every question. In this type of questions again already in examples have been written, you need to see which term will be negative. Since here you see you have minus 24yz and minus zx, so 2 times z is getting repeated, it means z term should be negative. So this will be written as 4z square. This will be 4z square, this will be 3y square, and this will be 2x square, 2x whole square, 2x whole square, 3y whole square, and minus 4z whole square. So finally you will get 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square, and this will be your answer. Here you see you have minus 24xy and minus 12xz. Again x is being repeated, so your x term will be negative. So this will be minus 3x, this will be 4y. So you need to expand properly and you need to write 4y, and this will be 2z and the whole square. This will be your answer. So in this way you need to see, and I hope you will be able to solve. Here you see evaluate 99 square. Again 99 square can be written as 100 minus 1 whole square. It means a square plus b square minus 2ab. So now you solve, this will be 4 zeros plus 1 and minus 200. So this will be 1, this 1 0 0 0 1 minus 200, and this you subtract, 1 minus 0 will be 1, 0 minus 0 0, 10 minus 2, 10 minus 2 is equal to 8, this will be 9, and this will be your answer. So in this way this 995 can be written as 100 minus 1000 minus 5 whole square. This can be written as 100 plus 7 whole square, and by putting formula you can evaluate and you can find out the answer. In this way we have completed this exercise. Also you need to complete each and every question you must solve. I hope you will be able to do. And next day we will see cube of a binomial. So just you go through and be ready so that easily you will be able to understand. Until then, thank you.